Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden wall decoration designs and ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden wall decoration designs and ideas. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, stylish light and dark colors uses, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Those who love such type of wooden work, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Best top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. If you want to buy this very beautiful wooden work, then I will tell you some websites named like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful decoration ideas, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my wooden collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden wall decoration designs and ideas? Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Every design is beautiful, every design is trendy, every design is different one another. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.